PewDiePie has entered the AI space with Odysseus AI. But is it actually worth using, or is it just another AI tool with celebrity branding? In this video, we will cover what Odysseus AI does, its biggest strength, its limitations, and whether it's worth using and whether it's worth your time in 2026. What is Odysseus AI? Odysseus AI is an AI assistant designed to help users complete everyday tasks faster. Depending on the version you use, it can help with writing, brainstorming, summarizing, research, coding, and general productivity. Unlike many AI tools that focus on a single feature, Odysseus AI aims to be an all in one assistant with a simple interface that's easy for beginners while still offering useful capabilities for experienced users. Key features. Here are the features that stand out: fast responses for writing, research, and brainstorming, code generation and debugging for developers, document summarization to save time, natural conversations with context awareness, a clean interface that's easy to navigate, regular updates that continue improving the model. These features make it suitable for students, professionals, content creators, and anyone looking to automate repetitive work. Performance and limitations. In day to day use, Odysseus AI performs well for general productivity tasks. It generates clear answers, organizes information effectively, and is quick enough for most workflows. However, it's not perfect. Like other AI models, it can occasionally produce inaccurate information, struggle with highly specialized topics, or require additional prompting to get the best results. For critical work, it's always a good idea to verify important facts. Is it worth it? If you are looking for an AI assistant that combines writing, coding, research, and productivity tools in one place, Odysseus AI is definitely worth trying. It may not replace every premium AI platform for advanced users, but it's a strong option for everyday tasks, especially if you value simplicity and continuous improvements. Final verdict. Overall, Odysseus AI is a promising addition to the growing AI landscape in 2026. It delivers solid performance, useful features, and easy to use experience. If you are curious about PewDiePie's AI project, it's certainly worth testing to see if it fits your workflow. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI reviews, and I will see you in the next one.